In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy makeup on Dhgate. If you're looking for budget-friendly cosmetics and tools, this walkthrough will help you search, compare, and add items to your cart with confidence. Start by opening the Dhgate website. At the top of the page, you'll see the search bar. Click into it, type the words makeup, and then hit the magnifying glass icon to run the search. In a moment, you'll see a wide range of results: lip products, foundations, brushes, palettes, and more. Take a second to scan the thumbnails, prices, shipping notes, and ratings that appear in the results. You can use filters and sorting options to narrow things down by category, price range, or popularity, if that helps you focus on what you need. When something catches your eye, click the product to open its detail page. This is where you want to slow down and read carefully. The most important check is whether the product suits your skin type. Look for clues in the description, words like hydrating, mattifying, non-comedogenic, or suitable for sensitive skin. If ingredients are listed, scan for anything you typically avoid, and always consider doing a small patch test when you receive the product. Browse the photos and customer reviews, paying attention to comments from people who mention a skin type similar to yours. While you're here, note the seller's rating, the number of orders, estimated delivery time, shipping costs, and the return or refund policy, so you know what to expect. Next, choose the color or shade variant. Use any available swatches and images to match your undertone and depth, and check the review photos for real-life examples. If the listing shows multiple finishes or sets, make sure the correct option is selected before moving on. Then set the quantity. Some listings may have a minimum order or offer tiered pricing for larger quantities. Confirm that the quantity and selected options reflect exactly what you want, and double-check availability if you're ordering more than one. Once you're satisfied with the choice, click Add to Cart. You'll see a confirmation that the item was added. From here, you can keep building your cart. To continue shopping, simply return to the home page, adjust your search terms if needed, and browse for more makeup items. Repeat the same approach. Open a listing, verify it fits your skin type, pick the right color, set the quantity, and add it to your cart. That's the process. Take your time, read the details, and you'll feel much more confident choosing makeup on Dhgate.